In this video, we start learning full PLL, learning the 4 easiest cases apart from the only edge cases. Coming up. What's up, Cubers? I'm ATSpeedCuber, and on this channel, I amplify your knowledge by twisty puzzles. But if you're new, consider subscribing. And all the links mentioned in this video will be found in the description below. Let's get into it. The 4 easiest cases are the only edge cases, but the cases that are not that are the 2 J perms, the Y perm, and the T perm. And also, in this video, I'll also teach you the F perm because it's extremely similar to the T perm. So let's get into it. The T perm is basically a T. So these two swap and these two swap. And the algorithm for this is R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. To finger trick it, you do the first few moves like that, regrip, and do the rest of moves like this with your finger doing this. Or you can do this. But your pinky has to be on the bottom like that. Now I'll show you the bonus algorithm right now, which is the F perm. The F perm is 2 swap here, 2 swap here. And if you look at the algorithm, if you look at the F perm algorithm, it's very long. But if you do this tip, it's going to be much easier to memorize. So what you do is R prime, U prime, F prime, and then T perm without the last few moves, then U, R prime, U, R. And faster. And note, it's for the best finger tricks, you start with your thumb on top like this. And then the rest is basically smooth. Another algorithm that's also similar to the T perm is the J perm. And the J perm is basically the last 4 moves of the T perm, and then you do it from the start. So R, U, R prime, F prime, and then T perm. And faster. There are 2 J perms. The other J perm is when you have the J perm at the back, and here you could very easily do lefty J perm. I do this algorithm because I'm left-handed, and this is normal J perm for me, and this here is the opposite J perm. The mirror one, but in this video I'm going to assume that you're right-handed, and if you're left-handed, just make all the R moves an L move and make all the U moves a U prime, and I think you'll figure it out rather easily. But for this J perm, just rotate down and do this algorithm: R2, F, R, F prime, R, U2, wide R prime, U, wide R, U2. Faster. The Y perm is not similar to any of those algorithms at all, but it is really easy to memorize because of how easy it is to finger trick and how smoothly the algorithm goes. The algorithm, I'll just show you right now. Very smooth. So the algorithm is F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. Then you have to this T case, which is actually an OLL, which is R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. So the full algorithm is F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. So those were the easiest 4 algorithms for PLL apart from the only edge cycles. That's all for today's video. I'm ATSpeedCuber, amplifying your knowledge by twisty puzzles. Thanks for watching.